welcome back to my wonderful channel. It's your girl Joy, aka Miss Jovou. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video. So guys, today's video, as you can tell from the title, how to style your afro, how I get my afro, okay, my curly afro and stuff like that. I'm going out and I was like, why don't I just make a video like just the whole process. So guys, if you know how I achieved this, because I get a lot of questions from you guys via the comments that how did I style that hair in one of my videos. I think that was coil activator stuff. I was getting questions like how did I achieve the style and stuff like that. So I made a video. You guys know my hair is due for another touch, but I was like, I don't have the kit now, probably get it very soon, and I'm going to redo it again, and I'm going to show you guys how it's done for the second time. So if you want to see more of JHERI Curl videos, vlogs, makeup tutorials, skincare videos, and pretty much other things, you can keep on watching, okay? And be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and go check out my other videos. Check my playlist. I have a lot of videos on my channel that can keep you guys busy and entertained as well, so be sure to check it out and subscribe, okay? If you love my channel, if you feel comfortable being here, then darling, share to your family and friends, okay? Because you need to spread it. You need to spread the good news, because I'm a good news and I bring joy to people, alright? So share to your family and friends and subscribe. Turn your post notification on, so when next I upload a video, you'll be notified, okay? So no further ado, let's get right into the video. Hey guys, what's up? So my hair is due, like my hair is really due, and I was thinking, should I redo my JHERI Curl? My mom was like, I shouldn't come out like this, like with my hair all buffed and dry. So I don't even know how to style this hair today, so we're going to figure it out together, alright? So be sure to stay tuned. Let's see. While I was taking my shower, I had to pour water on my hair. As you guys can see it, my hair is due. So I'm going to go in with coil activator, okay? I'll go in coil activator and pretty much other things, and then we're going to figure out how I'm going to style this hair, because I'm going out. Stay tuned for the vlog. The vlog will be out. So as usual, I'll go in my Jack 5. It's almost finished. I think I'll get another. So if you want to know how I normally get my afro, then just keep on watching. I'll just apply this on my hair. Just pack it this way. Oh, this is so cute. I think I'm going to get a rubber band. So I'm going to show you guys some styles you can actually rock with your short afro or your afro, just your mini short afro. But my hair has really grown, like it has really grown. I saw a comment on one of my videos because I to record that, but I think I'm going to put a screenshot of it on the screen. She was like, your record makes your hair grow faster. But it's true, it actually makes your hair grow faster. Like when I got my JHERI Curl done, my hair was not this long. Oh, this is a cute style. So guys, the first style, this is actually a cool style. You can rock it, go into your like eco styling gel after you apply your coil activator, and just put it anywhere. I feel like this is a cool, nice style to rock your JHERI Curl or your curly afro. Okay, just slick it in. Baby hair. So guys, another style you can actually rock, you can put it this way, like this way, and then do the same thing, or you put it all back like this and then split the edges. So how I achieve my curly fro, I'll go in with this comb here and I'll just push my hair out like this.
Woke up on a Saturday morning, hoping that you had called me. Realized it was the afternoon, I'm still sleeping off the party. From the night before.
So guys, one of my favorite styles is style my JHERI Curl with my Afro. What I normally do, I'll go in with Eco Styling Gel. Okay, that's at the back of my hair. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Like, I'll just pick out like this and I'll just pack the back. Okay, my hair isn't that long, but at least I can pack it now.
Woke up on a Saturday morning,
Eco Styling Gel.
call me. Realized it was the afternoon, I'm still sleeping off the party. Party from the night before. The summer heat had us down at the shore. I told you what you meant to me. Hoping that one day I'd be your everything. Hope you agree, girl, I just wanna be your everything. Your everything. La 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 oh 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 oh. La 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 oh 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 oh. La 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 oh 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 oh. La 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 oh 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 oh. Hit the road in my drop colors when you didn't hit me on my phone. I saw you walking, so I pulled up beside you to see if you needed a ride home. Hasn't thought about the night before. The summer heat had us down at the shore. I told you what you meant to me. Hoping that one day I'd be your everything. Hope you agree, girl, I just wanna be your everything. Your everything. Your everything.
I want my edges to slit, like just it put. I go in with hair wax. So I'm good to go, like I'm literally good to go. You guys love my outfit. The clothing haul is coming very soon, okay? This is so cute. I love it so much. It looks so good on me. On my channel, I give you guys YouTube tips and tricks, makeup tutorial, JHERI Curl videos, skincare, and pretty much other things you guys are not interested in, but I'll still show you. So if you want all the goodies, if you want all the tea, if you want anything concerning what I just mentioned, then keep on watching. Be sure to share to your family and friends and subscribe, turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos, okay? So I'm going in with lip gloss, absolute lip gloss. This is one of my favorites, lip gloss. All my lips to glossy. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I didn't really plan it. I was like, okay, I'm going out, I want to style my hair, let me just make a video of it, and I did. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down, share to your family and friends, and subscribe. Turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos. Alright, Thanks so much for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video.